get asked this question, why does it feel harder now that I know these things, right? Like, why does it feel harder? And so there's a few reasons. One, life gets louder, right? Life gets louder. The older men and women get, the more layers there often are, right? There's more responsibility. We have more decisions, more relationship complexity, more physical truth from the body, right? I don't know about you, but right, mine keeps getting louder. More consequence from poor sleep, more emotional labor. We have less tolerance for nonsense. And often we have less room for recovery time from living badly. And that's just real, right? That's just the reality of it all. Too many women and men have been conditioned, right, to track everyone else before themselves. So what I mean by this is they can tell you exactly what someone else is feeling.